Good day, everyone. I'm Emerlyn Jed Morales, and together with my groupmate,
My name is Guy Sigrid K. Sumitad.
we will present our design project, Curved Spoke Tri-Wheel Stair Climbing Robot.
So to begin with, let's start with our design background and introductions. So stairs have been one of the hardest obstacles a robot can encounter in an indoor environment. For a robot to be efficient in shot have the capability to climb stairs. So a trivial based stair climbing robot have been proven to overcome the challenge faced with stair climbing. However, the limitations are unavoidable, such as impact during acceleration and the damage from the friction with the edge of every step of the stairs. So the customer's needs? The customer needs to show incoming freshmen of Mapua University the skill set of their current electronic engineering students or the ECE students. With this, the electronic project prototypes will be shown to freshmen for demonstrations. This may this may entice students to enroll to electronics engineering program and increase the number of enrollees for the program. So these are the design objectives. First, to design a tri-wheel that can help a robot climb stairs. Second, to program a code that will accelerate the stair climbing robot like Arduino or Python. And third, to test the efficiency of the stair climbing robot. So here is the design process flow. So to begin with, the identify the project's needs and solution, which is our stair problem. Second, consult advisor and choose the prototype, the design. Before we do anything else, we need to consult and to think about our designs and measure the stair dimensions. Since we're dealing with a tri-wheel, we need to know the height and the height and the distance between the stairs. Next is to finalize prototype design and functions to design the main body and other things. And to buy the materials like DC motors, our Arduinos, and also our engines and so on and so forth. Next next is to assemble the circuit where the wiring is supposed to go. Next, if the prototype is working, then if it's not working, then we need to re-advise or to make some modifications. However, if the prototype is working, then yes, that testing and calibrations next to present the results, and that will be the end of it. So the conceptual framework, first the input, switch, and remote, since we're gonna control the stair climbing robot anyway and performing the on and off switch. Next is the process. Next process, operate the machine by using a switch or remote control since we're gonna control it. Next, the output, the stair climbing robot will accelerate and climb the stairs if it encounters a stair step itself. So here is the block diagram of our system with the help of circuit design. This is where we place our designs. Like here, the Arduino, this black module here, which is for our remote controller, our DC motors, and also the circuit that can control the DC motors, and not to mention our battery, since since it's our main power source. And here is the design prototype, which just the main body, two wheels, and also here the smaller boxes where the Arduino Uno is. All right, so next.
For the wheel design and process, so the wheels are 3D printed using PLA filament, and the group used the website called Tinkercad and a software called Blender. The figure or the photo on the left is the one created using Tinkercad. And to cut the model into three parts, since it cannot, it we transfer the design to Blender. Next. So after printing and assembling and testing the previous wheel design, it was having a hard time to climb the stairs, so the group decided to extend each spoke to have a better grip. They added an attachment to each spoke. So the one on the left is the design sketch for the new wheels, and the one on the middle and the one on the right is the 3D model for the extension. Next. So these are the photos of the actual prototype. So the one on the left is the side view of the prototype. So as you can see, um, this is the finished product or the finished 3D printed wheels. So for to further reinforce the wheels, we added rubber strips along the end of the spoke to add a better grip. So when it climbs the stairs, it can grip. It will not slide. Also, we added acrylic sheet and wait lang, i-edit ko to. Ano nga to? Nawala na English ko. Glue. Wait lang.
Epoxy.
Hindi. Ididikit. Attached. Okay. For the design. So these three figures are the actual photos of the actual prototype. So the one on the left, the first one is the side view of the actual prototype. As you can see, there are two wheels which are 3D printed. So to further reinforce the wheel, since it is 3D printed, it is made of plastic. So when it climbs the stairs, it will slide. So for better grip, we added rubber strips around each spoke, and then to further reinforce the wheel, we added an acrylic sheet and using epoxy. Next. Wait lang. Ilalagay ba to dyan ng ano? Iba yan eh. Hoy. Ibang result yan. Ilalagay yan? O i-cut mo na?
Cut mo na yan.
Sige. Next mo muna. Next. Conclusion. This research aimed to design and create a stair climbing robot. The specific objective of this project focused on using Arduino Uno microcontroller to program the stair climbing robot. The curved spoke tri-wheel stair climbing robot demonstrated an impressive performance with an average success rate of 94%. This high success rate showcases the effectiveness of the design of the wheels and the programming of the prototype. Furthermore, the use of Arduino Uno not only facilitated control of the prototype's movement, but also proved to be a reliable solution. With further explorations in motor control and movements, the curved spoke tri-wheel stair climbing robot's performance could potentially be improved and opening possibilities for its use in various real-world applications, such as assisting people with mobility issues or serving environments where stair navigation is essential. Next. Recommendation. So after designing, assembling, and testing the curved spoke tri-wheel stair climbing robot, improvements can be made to make a better and more sufficient stair climbing robot. The group recommends that instead of using PLA filament For 3D printing of the wheels, future researchers can use 3D printing to print the wheels using aluminum. Second, the future researchers may use thicker acrylic or sturdier electronics enclosure, and future researchers can use different mechanisms for the tail that the robot can use for more stability. Additionally, enhancing the stair climbing robot's ability to handle a wider range of stair step sizes for broader use. And lastly, adding various configurations such as adding different kinds of sensors, for example, obstacle sensors, proximity sensor, or pressure sensor. Controller for motor control for more efficient stair navigation. Okay na yun.
Okay na. Sige, i-send ko
Nawala
lang.
ba yung video ko?
Ha?
Nawala ba
I-send,
yung video ko?
i-send ko lang sa'yo ngayon, mamaya. I-convert ko pa to eh.
Oo, i-edit ko sa iPad.
Sige, sige. Stop ko
Sige
na.
na. Hmm.